Hi friends, this is Jack. Today we're going to make domino flags. Here is A, and A is for Austria. Now here it is. B is for Bolivia. C is for Colombia. Here is letter D, and D is for Denmark. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Denmark. Here is letter E, and E is for Ethiopia. Let's knock it down in 3, 2, 1. F is for France, the French country. F. Here is letter G, and G stands for Gabon. 3, 2, 1, go! Here is H, and H is for Hungary. Here is letter I, and I is for India. Here is J, and J stands for Japan. Let's go to Japan. K is for Kazakhstan. Yes! L is for Latvia. Let's knock it down one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, L. Here's M, and M is for Mauritius, the small country. Now let's go. 3, 2, 1. This nearly failed. Okay, here is letter N. N is for Nigeria. Let's push it in 3, 2, 1. O is for Oman. P is for Philippines. Here is Q, and Q is for Qatar. R is for Russia. S is for Sweden. Okay, let's go. Yes! T for Tonga. Here is U, and U is for Ukraine. V for Venezuela. Okay, here is W, and W is for Wales. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go and knock it down. X is for Excellent. Y for Yemen. Okay, here it goes. Z is for Zambia.